model, 2012 Ford Transit Connect 230 long wheelbase, high roof van TDCi 90ps, low mileage, ready to start your new window cleaning business. Ladder sponge bucket, body, white, panel van. Mileage, 84,379. MOT, the 8th of February 2024. Engine, 1753 cc DURATORQ TDCi 590. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Fully kitted out window cleaning van with all the equipment. Are you ready to start a new business? We have the van and all the gear ready for you. Everything inside brand new or almost new. Full working order. Go and start your next challenge in life. Money mouth face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.